Now let's get our modified quiz out to the right kids. We're going to define who's the right kids for the modified tests here in the Members tab of our class. You can see I've created a few different grading groups over here on the right for the typical types of tags we see with kids. Accelerated, ELL, 504. You might have a Group A, Group B, modified. Lots of different ways you can group kids together to have them with slightly different assignments. I'm going to go ahead and create a new group called IEPs. Okay, and I'm going to grab a student for that, and I can tag as many students as I need to out of my individual class and create that grading group. Now you can see that it tags them right here in there, right here in the list of members. So I can click on unmodified and see that these are my unmodified students or these are my accelerated students. I know some of these tags overlap, but you get the idea here. Back in the gradebook, it works the same way. I can actually go to all members in my gradebook and pull it down and see those individual groups. So if I just want to focus on my kids with IEPs, pull down and there's my IEPs. Now how does that work here with the test that we made, the modified Spanish quiz over here in this tab? I'm going to go ahead and pull down on the gear shift and I'm going to go to add to course. And I'm going to add it to, this is my demo course that I use for this kind of thing. Make sure your maximum points align to however many points you're actually giving in that quiz. You can add it to a folder. I'm going to put it in the vocabulary quizzes folder. You can give it a due date, of course. Give it a category. Scale, probably going to be numeric, especially for tests and quizzes, but you can change that scale if you want. And click on add. It'll think for a little bit and then it'll be added over there. So let's go back over there. Okay, and I'm going to refresh that page. And inside vocabulary quizzes, I now have Spanish quiz 1 and Spanish quiz 1 modified. Now I want to go ahead and individually assign that, so I'm going to go to Edit and click on my individually assigned button, and that allows me to then type in IEPs. This is also for maybe my kids on 504s. And then whatever other groups I might want to add to that, I can. If I need an individual kid, I can pull out an individual kid as well. It doesn't just have to be a grading group. My typical quiz, I may go ahead and, if I'm doing this, I could actually go ahead and do an unmodified group of kids. And so those quizzes are now assigned to groups of kids that will benefit from it. In the gradebook, it looks like this. Okay, so if an assignment has been assigned to just a group of people, it'll show up like this. So this assignment has not been assigned to these individuals. This assignment has only been assigned to that individual. It just grays it out if it was not assigned to one of these individual kids. These individual kids will not see that on their grade reports either. All right, so I hope this helps you modify tests and quizzes for all of our kids that might need it.